So guys, in order to achieve the look I'm going to be teaching us how to do, just need to put my glasses on if that's okay. Better, isn't it? I can see now. You'll need a white powder, pure white powder. This one is, as I've just said, by collection. This is called hydro setting powder. This has probably got about 0.001% something, a very, very low amount of hyaluronic acid. Why am I waffling, guys? Why? You don't need waffle on Sunday morning, do you? No, I didn't think you did. So I'll edit this bit out, shall I? Probably for the best. Okay. Editing away. Today won't be a blind review. I'll just do a straightforward YouTube review on the e.l.f. Halo Liquid. What's it called? Halo Glow Setting Powder. Should I do that bit again? Okay, will do. So beautiful ones. This is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder, and this is an extension of the Halo Glow Liquid Filter, which is a dupe of Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Hollywood filter. I think that's exactly what that's a dupe of. I think the Charlotte Tilbury one cost something like £30. This was £10, and as I've just said, this one was slightly more, coming in at between £13 and £15. So, and Superdrug is the place. And my Superdrug's useless actually, because they've got loads of those camo CC powders or something, and they just don't have any. Waffling again, right? Okay, shut up. Okay, I'm shutting up now. Got to laugh though, guys, isn't there? There's no point living if you don't laugh. Do you know what I mean?